Best Marine Radios. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best marine radios. Whether you're navigating coastal waters or exploring remote lakes, having reliable communication is essential for safety and fun on the water. In this video, we'll showcase top-performing marine radios, highlighting their unique features, benefits, and how they can enhance your boating experience. From handheld devices to fixed-mount solutions, we've got the perfect option for every boater. Let's dive in and discover which marine radio is right for you.
Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in. Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Standard Horizon HX890 marine radios. Stay connected and safe on the water with the Standard Horizon HX890, the ultimate handheld VHF radio built for both nearshore and offshore adventures. With military-grade durability, MIL, STD, 810F, it's designed to withstand tough conditions. Enjoy clear communication through its 700 milliwatts loudspeaker, and keep conversations private with 4-code and 32-code scrambler systems. The built-in FM receiver lets you tune into music or news. This radio floats, is waterproof, and activates a strobe light if dropped overboard. It features a 66-channel WAS GPS for precise navigation and emergency DSE calls, ensuring you're always safe and sound. The 11-hour battery life and intuitive 1.7-inch display with day/night modes make it user-friendly for any boater. Unit 25-watt fixed-mount marine radios. Navigate confidently with the black Unit UM385BK 25-watt fixed-mount marine radio, your ultimate safeguard at sea. This powerful marine radio not only alerts you to approaching storms, but also ensures help is just a button away with its DSC distress call feature. Choose between 1W and 25W output for short or long-range communication, and stay informed with SAMI weather alerts tailored to your exact location. The Triple Watch feature allows you to monitor emergency channels 16 and 9, plus one user-selected channel, all at once. Built to endure with JIS4/IPX4 waterproof protection, this radio also offers versatility with US, Canada, and international frequencies. The included microphone with channel select buttons ensures ease of use, making the UM385BK an essential companion for any marine adventure. Icom IC94D VHF marine radios. Elevate your maritime safety with the Icom IC94D, a top-tier handheld VHF marine transceiver that combines AIS and DSC in one powerful device. With its integrated AIS receiver, you can monitor real-time vessel traffic and make DSC calls effortlessly. Boasting a 6W RF output, this radio ensures reliable long-distance communication, while the 1,500 milliwatts audio output delivers clear sound in noisy environments. The built-in navigation function allows you to mark up to 50 waypoints, perfect for returning to favorite fishing spots. The Icom IC94D is designed for durability with IPX7 waterproofing and features float-in flash technology for easy retrieval if dropped overboard. The 2,400 mAh battery provides up to 11 hours of operation, making this transceiver a must-have for any serious mariner.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Sound Extreme marine radios. Transform your off-road or marine experience with the Sound Extreme digital media receiver, a powerhouse of sound in a rugged, compact design. Built to endure harsh environments, this IP66 rated receiver resists water, dust, UV rays, and even salt water. Enjoy your favorite tunes with Bluetooth streaming, AUX, USB inputs, or AM/FM radio, and take hands-free calls with ease. The built-in 50-watt amplifier powers up to 4 speakers, while a subwoofer output delivers deep bass. With EcoCast technology, you can wirelessly connect to any Sound Extreme speaker for multi-zone audio. The backlit 2.5-inch LED display and 2-zone LED controller add a touch of style, making this receiver the ultimate audio upgrade for any adventure. Designed to fit into a standard 3-inch gauge cutout, it's as versatile as it is tough. Kenwood KMR M332BT Marine Radios. Elevate your on-water experience with Kenwood's KMR M332BT Marine Digital Media Receiver, designed to withstand the toughest marine environments. With a moisture-resistant conformal coating and double-covered USB and AUX inputs, this compact receiver is perfect for boats, ATVs, and more. Stream your favorite music wirelessly via Bluetooth, or control playlists directly from your iPhone or Android using Kenwood's remote app. Plug in a thumb drive or connect another device to enjoy a variety of audio formats, including MP3, WMA, WAV, and lossless FLAC files. Whether you're jamming to internet radio or your own music library, the KMR M332BT ensures you have endless entertainment options, all in a durable and space-saving design.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Cobra MRF-77 Marine Radios. The MRF-77 is a life-saving VHF radio, uniquely equipped with DSC capability and an integrated GPS receiver for pinpoint location accuracy in emergencies. This robust device ensures you're always prepared, with instant access to emergency channels September 16th and all NOAA weather channels for critical updates. The Rewind Say Again feature lets you replay missed calls, ensuring you never miss important information. Designed as a complete solution for maritime safety, the MRF-77 offers peace of mind on the water, combining advanced communication features with essential emergency functionalities. Whether you're navigating tough conditions or just staying informed, this radio is a reliable companion for any boater. Boss Marine Radios. Upgrade your boat's audio experience with the Boss Audio System's MGR 300B Marine Stereo, designed for durability and superior sound. This Bluetooth-enabled head unit lets you wirelessly stream music from your smartphone or MP3 player, including apps like Spotify and Pandora. Built to withstand the elements, it boasts an IPX5 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring reliable performance in harsh marine conditions. The illuminated controls make nighttime operation easy, while the USB port provides both music playback and device charging. With an auxiliary input for additional devices and a pair of RCA preamp outputs, the MGR 300B offers versatility in a compact, weatherproof design, making it the perfect audio companion for any adventure on the water. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best marine radios available today. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect radio to ensure clear communication and peace of mind on your next adventure. Remember, staying connected can make all the difference when you're out on the water. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content on marine gear and boating tips. Safe sailing! If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe our channel.